In this video, I will show you how to complete identity verification on TikTok. So if you are trying to access TikTok Shop Creator Center, you may see this pop-up appear on your screen. So all you have to do is simply tap on verify, and then the next step is to simply enter the required information. So as you can see, you're gonna have to enter your first name, then your last name, and then simply select the date of birth. Now, as you can see, you must be 18 years old or older. Then you're gonna have to enter your street address. Now, the apartment number is optional, so you don't have to really add it, and then simply enter your city name. Now, the next step is to simply enter your state, zip code, and the last four digits of your social security number, and then simply tap on submit. Now, after the verified, so it may take a few minutes or hours depending on your account, you're gonna see something similar to this. So as you can see, identity verification successful. Now keep in mind that they may require more information from you, so you can see this pop up on your screen after a few days. So as you can see, it's gonna look something similar to this. So all you have to do is simply tap on add information and then simply enter the information needed. So in this case, you're gonna have to simply add an ID and then simply enter the ID issuing place and then simply upload the front of the document. So you're gonna have to take a photo of the front and the back of the document and then simply upload those photos and simply tap on submit. Now after a few minutes or hours, again you're gonna see a pop-up like this. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.